Hey everyone, and welcome to the Gym Explainer. A huge welcome to all of our listeners out there, all you gym owners, operators, managers, salespeople, entrepreneurs, and personal trainers. Today we're going to walk you through a white paper from jthomas, and our whole goal here is to give you some real, actionable insights you can use to grow your business in this wild new age of marketing.
And hey, just a quick heads up for any of you folks looking to open a new gym, maybe acquire an existing one, or even if you just need some working capital, we can help with funding options up to $500K. It's unsecured with no restrictions on how you use it. You can check that out over at fmconsulting.net. Okay, with that said, let's dive right into the strategy. Just imagine for a second, you check your voicemail and the message starts with those 5 words. AI told me to call you. I mean, seriously, this isn't some science fiction movie. That is a real message that gym business expert jthomas actually received. And let me tell you, it signals a massive, massive shift in how your future clients are going to find you. Now, that call wasn't just some random fluke. Nope, it was the direct result of a very deliberate, very calculated strategy. And in this explainer, we're going to break down exactly how you can position your gym to get those same incredible results.
So let's just start with a crucial question, and I want everyone listening to really think about this. If a potential client in your neighborhood picks up their phone right now and asks for a gym recommendation, is your business completely invisible to the AI that's about to give them an answer?
So how do you become visible? Well, the best way to think about this isn't as some scary, complex technology. Instead, think of it like this. You've just hired a new marketing assistant, an AI assistant, and your very first job is to train it on exactly who you are and what you're all about. Okay, so the first piece of lingo you need to know is entity. It sounds technical, right? But it's really simple. In this context, an entity is just you, your brand, or your gym. The entire goal of this whole strategy is to get these AI algorithms to recognize your business as a distinct and, this is the important part, a trusted entity for fitness in your area. So, how does an AI decide who to trust? It's not about feelings or relationships, it's all about data. It is constantly scanning the internet, looking for businesses that are, number 1, well-documented, number 2, authoritative and credible, and number 3, super relevant to what the person is asking for. That's it. That's the checklist your new AI marketer is using. And this right here, this is the huge mindset shift. Every single piece of content you create, every online profile you update, it isn't just for potential customers anymore. You are now actively training these powerful algorithms to understand you, to trust you, and ultimately to recommend you. Okay, so now that we get the what and the why, let's get into the really fun part, the how. This is where we break down the practical, hands-on steps you need to take to build that digital footprint that proves to AI that your gym has authority and is relevant. It all starts at your home base, your website. You've got to make sure your full name, your gym's name, and your city are sprinkled throughout the site. And instead of just one generic services page, you need specific pages, like one for weight loss programs and another for sports performance training. And publishing regular, helpful content, like blog posts that answer common questions, is absolutely critical. All right, this next step is so important. And honestly, it's where a ton of businesses stumble. Consistency. Your name, your address, and your phone number have to be identical everywhere. I mean, perfect. A tiny variation, like writing street on one profile and stat on another, can totally confuse an algorithm and weaken your authority. From Google to Yelp to ClassPass, it has to match, period. So, once you have that solid digital foundation in place, the next move is to amplify your message using what we call external validation. This is how you prove to the AI that other people, real humans and credible websites, also trust and value what you do. This is where your real-world actions directly translate into AI signals. It's pretty cool. For example, when you ask a member to leave a review and they use keywords like best personal trainer in Austin, you are literally sending a direct signal of relevance to the AI. When a local news blog links back to your website, the AI sees that as a huge vote of confidence. It's all about building this network of trust around your brand.
And here is a fantastic pro tip right from the white paper. It's so simple, but so powerful. Whenever you're creating content, getting quoted in an article, or just updating a bio, make sure you use your personal name and your business name together. The more an AI sees John Smith paired with Metro Fitness, the stronger that expert connection becomes in its digital brain.
But here's the thing. This is not a set it and forget it kind of deal. Not at all. Your digital authority isn't something you build once and it's permanent. It has to be earned and re-earned, day after day through consistency. To stay visible to an AI that's always learning, you have to be actively maintaining your online presence.
Now, to make this totally manageable, just think of it as a simple AI visibility audit you do every quarter. It's a quick checkup, right? Update your photos and your bios, click on all your links to make sure they still work, add some new pictures or a post to your Google business profile, and just see who's talking about you online. It keeps your digital footprint fresh and trustworthy.
All right, so all of this work, the website foundation, the social proof, the consistent maintenance, it's all building towards one very clear, very powerful goal. This is the ultimate payoff for all of your efforts.
And that goal is beautifully simple: to shift your business from being just one more option in a long list to becoming the obvious, authoritative choice. You want to be the name that the AI recommends without even thinking twice.
And this quote from Jim Thomas really brings us full circle, right back to the beginning. That incredible voicemail wasn't some kind of magic. It was the direct payoff for the hard work of building authority, ensuring visibility everywhere online, and consistently keeping it all up to date. It is the strategy in action. So, we'll leave you with this final thought. The very next time a potential client in your city asks their phone, "What's the best gym for me?" or "Who can help me get in shape?" will your name be the answer?
If you want to make absolutely sure that the answer is yes, and you want some help positioning your gym to win in this new era of AI, then the expert behind this whole strategy is Jim Thomas over at FM Consulting.
You can reach out to Jim directly to make your business the next one AI recommends. His number is 214-629-7223. Again, that's 214-629-7223. You can email him at jthomas@fmconsulting.net or just visit the website at fmconsulting.net.
And finally, a huge thank you to our sponsor, Gym Business Manager. They make the best gym software out there for sure. You should definitely check them out at gymbusinessmanager.com.